Ooh, that ladies does not look nice. Perv. Anyways, I'm Madison Grylls, and this is Tweenvs.Nature, and I am in the bathroom/laundry. But it is nature because it's got a plant. It is about judging by the sun, as I can just see a glimpse through the window. It's about 2:30, and I think only to prepare a shelter. Well, even though I'm under a beautiful roof, I still need to sleep without sleeping next to the toilet, in the shower, or in the washing machine. Oh, that would be terrible. Or on the sink. I'll have to prepare a shelter, or should I say bed, using these. I'm scared of the dark. But you know what? Wish there was a light in here, but I just can't help thinking what that big ball is. It's so scary to think what it could be. There could be a rat in it. What's this? Ooh, pretty. Oh. Ooh. Oh. Ooh. Oh. Ooh. I'll keep that on. Now it's time to have a shower in a second. First I'll put in the light. Excuse me, if you don't mind, I'm getting unchanged here. What a beautiful shower. Oh, the breeze is so refreshing. Hey! What are you doing, you perv? I'm starting to get a little hungry now. Oh! Coconut! Yummy! Oh, a biscuit! Yummy! That'll make a nice dip, I say. If it would fit. Some nice coconut on there. Oh. Madison has to wear dirty underwear, and it's not fair because no one cares. She has to live in a lair. Hey! Turn that up! I'm sick of water. I need something else. But I'm starting to think before I get something what that thing is. It looks like my fridge at home. And you always find food or drink in there. Nothing there, nothing there, nothing there. Ooh! Coca-Cola! I wish I could read, because it says more than Coca-Cola on there. Might be a new flavor. How do I bust the lid? Sorry, I just threw up. That Coca-Cola was disgusting. I think it was off. It almost tasted like that biscuit and coconut powder. Anyways. I think I'm gonna throw up again. Thank you for watching Tween vs. Nature with Madison Grylls in the bathroom. subscribe.